Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and today we are going to unbox, set up, and review this super cool 80 quart poolside cooler. Now, a little quick summary of the way we're gonna do this. I'm gonna quickly unbox it for you now so you know what comes with it. Then I'm gonna give you the overall review. And then if you're really interested on how to put it together in detail, follow all the way to the end and I'll include that at the end. Let's open it up. So let's talk about the features of this and why I chose this particular cooler in addition to it looking beautiful and matching our furniture. It is an 80 quart cooler with, as you saw, nice steel construction, painted, weather protected. It is very well insulated, and at 80 quarts I could put 100 cans of soda in here with ice and they would stay cold for a while. You could put up to 50 bottles of your favorite adult beverage in there as well, and it just looks so cool by the pool. Nikki is a particular fan of the bottle opener with the little catch thing for the bottle tops. This is a really nice piece. I hope this was helpful for you, but if you want to know how to build this piece, let's cut to that now. I'm very excited about this. This is going to match our new sofa set. Very excited when things are pretty much in one piece. Makes my life much easier. Oh, I think I feel handles. I do feel handles, so let's go. Look at that. Look at that. We'll go like this here. Oh, yes.
How nice is that?
This pops off.
Oh, so nice.
There we go, a set of legs. These are nice solid steel pieces, fully painted, so they're going to be weatherproof. Really nice. How nicely organized and simple is this?
What's that thing?
This is the bottle cap catcher for the bottle cap opener. How fun is that?
Oh, how nice.
Yes, just catches them there so you don't have a big mess. We got handles and casters.
Assemble the legs.
Okay, so we place this on the legs, align these holes, and then we're gonna screw in some casters. Okay, well that completes the construction. I hope that was helpful for you. Please click that follow button for the Doug and Nikki channel here on Amazon, because that way you will get notifications when we go live once a week, and you could ask us any questions you want about coolers or anything else you see us do. And in addition, on our homepage you will find a specially curated list of items that we really have and enjoy.